You are watching Goa TV 24.
Present over here for this inaugural of a small park at Parra Madani. For this occasion, we have with us आमचा own Padigar, Father Peter, Delilah Lobo, MLA of Sholim, Joyce and Tyron, who are the designers of this park, who have designed this, who have created this park, all the artifacts over here, and Dr. Subodh Kerkar, who is not over here, but he and his son together they have created and sculpted this coconut along with a rooster on top, the rooster face coconut. I thank them and Shraddha too. We also have our Sarpanch, Chandanan, Deputy Sarpanch, all the ward members who are present over here. Ex-Sarpanches, Bab Benedict and others, the Comunidad, and all the other dignitaries who are present over here. Press and electronic media. चोड उलयना एक दोन तीन मिनटांनी सोपयता. धाकटुली भुरगीं येवन विचारला म्हाका ते दीस की आमचे पार्क खंय. तांकां सांगूंक सोदता हांव विथ परमिशन ऑफ बेनेडिक्ट हू इज द कोमुनिदाद अटॉर्नी. ह्याच पार्का फाटल्यान तुमकां चिल्ड्रन्स पार्क जातले टू ऑल द किड्स. तुमकां
Thank you.
So next 3 months, this children's park, we will after the heavy showers, say August and आम्ही start करतले. या त्याच्या फाटल्यान बेनेडिका कडे आम्ही NOC मागलेली आहात. तेणे परमिशन पंचायतीक दिवचे आणि हे धाकटुले park at the same level of the field. We will do it for them where they can come in the evening, they can play inside the park, they can all the facilities which will be available over there. सगळे भाशेचे जे मॉडर्न चिल्ड्रन्स पार्कान आसता तितले वस्तू आमी थिंगा हाडून घालपाचो प्रयत्न करतले. तेजे भायर ह्या आख्या माडानी रोडाचेर जे ट्युरिस्ट येताले आनी तांकां टॉयलेट फॅसिलिटी नासली ती आमी हिंगासर बांदल्या. ते ती 3 mushrooms which are there is a creation of Tyron, Tyron D'Souza, who is the artist. Inside there is one changing room and there are 2 toilets. One is ladies and one for gents. And he's created it very nicely in a shape of a mushroom. Thank you, Tyron, for the good work what you have done. Also, we have requested Benedict, in front there is a place. At that same level, if he gives it to us and the tenant gives it to us, we will create the continuation of this park at that level, about 3 steps below, and that park will be continued for 4,000 square meters. So this will only grow big in this beautiful village of Parra. We have parking space on this side. We have parking space next to the church also, and even the panchayat gets a good revenue on this parking, photography, videography. खूपशे लोकांकूय त्रास जाता आमचे गोंयकारांक जे चर्चीन वयता जे हो रोड क्रॉस करतना त्रास जाता ना न्हू. पूण ट्युरिस्टांक आमी कितें करतले अशें सोडपाक जायना तांकां की they will just come park on the road and they will click pictures. No, they have to park in the parking lot. त्या खातीर 4 भुरगे घातलेले आहा to assist them, to show them the parking lot. They go and park over there and then they can come and do their photography. Earlier we had a lot of comments coming on Facebook that this tourist should be stopped from coming over here, but I don't think any authority can do so by stopping the tourist from coming and clicking pictures. They love this road. They love the coconut trees, they love our Parra, they love our green lands, they love our coconut trees, and they love all the porricars. So that is why they are all coming. So please bear with them. But at the same time, we will give you facility for adequate parking and other things which are required. I want to thank all the panchayat members who are present over here, who has helped me to see that this park comes into reality. When I told them that we want to start the work over here, I want to thank Gregory D'Souza, who is not over here. I can't see Gregory, who helped me to speak to the owner of this place when we were buying this place. And the owner is Joe Norona. He wholeheartedly gave me this place. I want to thank Sushant Parsekar and his family for giving us little extra land on the other side. And again, Kumnidad of Parra for giving unconditional support when we were developing the well over there. When we told him about the children's park which we require in the village of Parra, he said, I will definitely talk to my committee and I will give you the required NOC. And I think Parra is a beautiful village and people from all over the world, सगळे संवसारातले लोक पोर्रा येऊन फोटोग्राफ काढूंक सोदता आणि आमचे एक ग्रीन हिल्स जे आहा एक ग्रीन हा ते आमी ग्रीनूच दवरलेले आहा. Whether it is a panchayat, all the panchayats from the inception, we don't allow anybody to go and exploit this hill, and we will all of us, we are responsible. The people who are staying in the village of Parra are all responsible to keep the green surroundings around, and let us make Parra more green by growing more paddy. Maista paddyचो program village panchayat of Parra 19th करपाचे आहा सकाळी. ते चंदू तुमकां एक्सप्लेन करतलो जे कितें आमी तुमच्या खातीर करूंक शकता. Parra growing green in terms of manure, terms of harvester, आणि आम्ही प्रॉमिस केल्लो तो ट्रॅक्टर, पण त्याचा ड्रायव्हर पयलीं हाड म्हटलं हांवें. ट्रॅक्टर हाडटलो आनी ड्रायव्हर आसचो ना. So all these things are required to be given to the villagers of Parra to make it self-sustainable. And I think this beautiful village needs to set an example to other villages in Goa as a model village. आम्ही ज्यांना म्हणता ही model village, yes, we will make it model village, and all the people of Parra, I think, are very much positive on this note to make it a model village, to keep the tintos, the corners, especially. We have also decided, the village panchayat of Parra and people from Gamawado, आमचो ward member जो गामावाड्याचो हा Basilio, along with Tingasurle like-minded people have decided to develop that small little place near Marku Bar. Tingasur म्हाका दिसता इतले बरे डेव्हलपमेंट जावपाचे आहा जे आमी मनोहर पर्रीकर जंक्शन केला तशें आमी थिंगासर करपाचे आहा. Like in olden days, pre-Portuguese and during Portuguese era, how were the old houses, how were the old structures, how were the taverns, that is Marku Bar. With their permission, with all their cooperation, we will start the development from next month of that place. We have been given NOC and consent by the Almeida family, who have properties on both sides. They have given us NOC to start the work over there. I thank them, Nathan Almeida and the entire family, for giving us that property to develop, to make it nice, to make it beautiful. And a village library will be set up over there. Full-fledged village library will be set up over there, where people can bring in their books, where people can contribute lot of things for the library. It's not only going to be books, it's going to be e-library plus books. Books of the world should come over there. So I request the people of Parra, people of Goa, people of India, whoever have got knowledgeable books, knowledgeable things where you can share it to the generation next, to our youth, boys and girls who are studying in schools, colleges and higher secondaries, and also to the other youth who wants to come and sit over there and get more knowledge. Such a library will be set up over there at that particular place, where there will also be a coffee shop down, so that whoever comes over there will be a meeting place for the people of Parra and others. I thank the support which is given to village panchayat of Parra to my wife, Delilah Lobo from village Panchayat of Virla Kanka, because we are all connected over here. Parra Virla Kanka. I thank all of them who are always supporting us to do development which is always people friendly and development which will always give results to the generations next to come. Thank you. God bless.